Hi guys, before we start, please like and subscribe to help me do more content like this. Thank you. Hi all. Well, it's our 5th lockdown now. What do you do? I'm tired of this, but there's nothing much you can do. So, on my way in or driving around today, I saw a little Sri Lankan takeaway shop. And guess what? I'm going there for lunch. So hopefully it's good. I feel like some rice and curry and good hearty Sri Lankan meal. It's cold, it's shit weather. I'm depressed because I can't really do much. We got restrictions on travel. So might as well eat. Let's go. Okay, I'm here to get my Sri Lankan fix for the day. It's cold outside, but I'm here for some comforts food. Hello, bro. How are you? Just a YouTube video. So I'm going to promote your business on YouTube. Is that all right?
How you are going to charge or anything?
No. It's all free.
All right.
I've done cinnamons kites in Clayton. Yeah, I've done that there.
Okay.
I'm getting some rice and curry. Oh yeah, pork. Is that pork curry?
Yeah. Do you want pork for that?
Yes, please, brother.
Yes.
I love pork curry. I've eaten here before, actually. Your food's really yummy.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Yeah. And also, I'll get 2 fish pan rolls.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And you've got some coconut sambal in there, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, man.
We've been busy today, man. So
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Anything else, man?
Oh, that's it, brother.
Awesome. You need a fork with this?
No.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to go home and eat it.
Oh, great.
Because we can't eat it in here, can we?
No, I'm not allowed to eat
Yeah.
these 5 days, yeah. Unfortunately.
Thanks, bro.
And 18. Cheers, man.
There we go.
Awesome.
Should be good.
Yeah, it's perfect, man. Do you need a receipt?
Excellent. Thank you very much. I can't eat here because of the bloody lockdown. So I'm going to take the food home. And God, I can't wait. I'm so hungry at the moment. So I got my food. I'm happy, but I can't eat in there. So I've got to go home. The old dude in there was a bit hesitant. He didn't want to sort of do it, or he was curious if I was going to charge him for it. It was all free, man. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's go home, let's eat this, and we'll go from there. I got my favorite, which is a fish pan roll. This is yummo. But I got some curry and rice, which I'm going to have some pork curry with some rice. Man, I'm looking forward to this. I am so hungry. And this freaking thing is, I love it. Couldn't wait till I get home. I got into the pan roll, fish pan roll. Delicious. It's one of my favourite Sri Lankan foods. Yum. Okay, so I'm home. I got my takeout. Got my spoon. I don't want to use my hands. I'm too lazy. Traditionally you got to use your hands. But that's the packet it came in. Let's open it up. Wow. It smells awesome. So I have pork curry, some potato curry, some dal, lentils, coconut sambal. This is called melung. It's some green leaves that are chopped up with coconut, etc. So let's just dish it up. Look at that. Oh, if you could only whiff this smell, it is awesome. It smells great. So, bon appetit. I'm just going to mix it all up. Check that out. So glad I dropped in there. It's really yummy. And apparently they were really busy today. That's fantastic. I'm glad that people are supporting businesses like this. Yum, yum, yum. It's absolutely delicious, guys. It's cold outside. There's nothing better to eat than a nice hot Sri Lankan curry. Now these leaves, it's called a melon. It's made with coconut and these herbal leaves, I think. I don't know exactly how to describe it. They taste awesome, absolutely awesome. And my all-time favourite, which is coconut sambal. You just can't go past it. I mean, it's really delicious. This is really hitting the spot. I was hungry this morning. I didn't have breakfast, which is a bad move. Had a little bit of a salad for morning tea, and wow, this 1 o'clock now, lunchtime, hit the spot. I love the pork curry. My dad used to make an awesome pork curry. Rest his soul. Oh, this is going down well, guys. I'm so hungry. And this is so tasty. It's got a nice bit of heat to it, you know. My lips are burning. I think I just munched on a bit of chili that was like fried or something. That was yum. I'm going to leave the link to this place. Drop around lunchtime if you're in Braeside, if you're driving past. Nice people, good value, $10 a packet. Wow. You know, you get some bloody shit food like McDonald's for $10. You don't get anything out of it. This is nutritious and tasty. Get on the link, find out where it is, and try Sri Lankan food, you know, highly recommended. I want to lick the plate. Should I? I'm sorry, I shouldn't do that. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to help my channel.